Okay, this is unplanned, but it's going to be good information. This is a Type 2 chin strap, otherwise known as a Paratrooper helmet chin strap, and it is for the Vietnam era M1 helmet. Here's how you install it. The helmet is sitting on its dome. It's facing up. This is my left hand. This is my right hand. The short side goes on the left side. And you start with the hook upright, right through the chin strap loop, just like this. Let me move this over. All right. The whole thing goes through. Now you're going to fold that tab over. You're going to shove that through as well. Then you're going to hook on the clip onto the chin strap loop, and you're going to bring it back to the outside of the helmet. Then what you're going to do is you're just going to give it a squeeze, and you're going to bring that crimp together. So what you just saw me do there was I squeeze this clip down onto itself. All right, once you've done that, then what you do is you're going to adjust it for your fit. So I can't do that for you. You have to do it for yourself. So if you are a big fella like me, you're probably going to want a lot of this strap hanging through here. If you're a little petite fella, you might be able to cheat, and you can pull some of this material back this way. Okay, but you have to decide that. Here's what you do though. You take this whole tab and you take it and you go backwards over the clip through the chin strap loop, and now it's sticking through. Once that's done, you can clip this down, and now you've got your chin strap all set up. What I mean by clip this down is these dog ears you can bring down with a pair of pliers. That's it. The other side, very much similar. You're going to go from the outside, so everything is up just like this, outside, through, everything comes through, even this tab comes through. It goes on here like this. You bring the whole thing over. You can crimp it down, and then you take this tab and it goes over and through just like this, and then you're done. And then you take these two dog ears. Once you've adjusted this, see how this is short, this is a little longer, this needs to be adjusted. Then you can bring these dog ears down, and you're all done. That's it.